Once you create objects, eventually you're going to have to be able to transform them. With an object created, we can select it. Let's go to Object drop-down menu and choose Transform. The most commonly used transformations are found here in the middle: move, rotate, reflect, scale, and shear. Whenever you select one of these transformations, this will bring up the Objects dialog box. With the dialog box selected, make sure Preview is checked off so you can see the type of transformation that you're creating. Each one of these transformations will have a different set of values that you can change up, but say for instance the move one, I can type in a specific horizontal or vertical placement to move my object to. If I didn't have Preview checked off, it'll just keep the object in the same place and it won't show you the change that you're creating. If I hit OK, that makes the object creation once it's done. Another thing to pay attention to, let's go back to Transform. Let's do Rotate. Rotate has its own set of objects and options that we can change up. And with Previews checked off, I can change the rotation of my object. This time, rather than simply hitting OK, if I hit Copy, it makes a copy of that object pasted into the place that it was created. So this is a great way of quickly creating something over and over again that has different transformations. Let's go back to Object, do Transform, and Move again. So in this case, if I wanted to move my object horizontally exactly 2.5 inches, I can hit Copy, and I've got a copy of it moved over exactly that amount. Here's another great thing to know. I can go back to Object and Transform, and then if I do Transform again or Command D, it'll do that same transformation over again. So as long as I hit Command D, I can make multiple copies of it that are exactly 2.5 inches moved over. This is a great thing to know when making multiple copies and transforming them exactly the same way.